Is it necessary to scarify your mimosa and redbud seed? Well, I don't know. That's what I aim to find out. This experiment began about 5 months ago, where I took mimosa, honey locust, black locust, and redbud, and I scarified those in boiling water. From that point, I took all of them and cold stratified them for a minimum of 90 days in my refrigerator. Here's that mimosa tree that I originally collected the seed from. Still got a lot of pods that are hanging. Most of these pods have opened up and they've shed their seed. Now that I got them back in the rig, you can really just hold them up and kind of see what seed remains in them. This one's opened up, but it hasn't completely shed. There's a few different reasons why I've decided to select these particular specimens. One is because they're right next to a roadway, and I've been able to admire them, not only for their beauty year after year going through their cycles of change, but just the fact that they've been able to withstand all of the pressures that would be associated with living so close to a roadway with all the road grime and vehicle exhaust. I want to try to replicate that hardiness on my property. And then not only that, they are both nitrogen fixing plants. I am almost out to that redbud right now. It's right where it enters the freeway, and I'm going to see if I have any luck finding any of those seed pods. Yeah, here we are. Yeah, most of these haven't even opened up. They are very similar in their appearance. This is the mimosa, and then by comparison over here you've got the redbud, which is a little bit darker, has a little bit different shape, and is a little bit smaller. This side is going to be the natural side. This side is the scarified and cold stratified in the refrigerator side. There is already some germination occurring over onto this side, but these were planted again about a week and a half ago. So these are going to take some time to get caught up to speed if in fact they germinate for me at all. I'm going to do the same with the redbud. This is the natural side, and this is the scarified and cold stratified in the fridge side. I got those seeds in just before it started raining, and with Mother Nature's assistance, over the next 3 days, that will get watered in, and I will be checking back at some point to see if we get anything to develop. 6 weeks have now passed since I've planted the mimosa and redbud, and I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the results. All of these mimosa have come up and germinated within about a week and a half after planting. Conversely, we have not seen any germination. Redbud took a little bit longer, and we have germination in every one of these. In the side that wasn't, absolutely nothing. Scarification can dramatically improve your germination rates, and it does so by weakening the outer coating that is present on a lot of seeds, particularly perennials. It can be done either chemically, mechanically, or done thermally, which is the way that I actually prefer to do it. Putting your seed in hot water and allowing it to remain in there for 24 hours, which weakens that outer coating, making the germination process easier. The outer coating is essentially a survival mechanism built into the plant, which prevents it from germinating its seed at the wrong time of the year. Different environmental factors are going to naturally weaken the outer coating of those thousands of seeds, and by the time it gets around to spring, a vast majority of them will be receptive to germination. But if you're planting only a handful and not thousands of seeds, it's probably a good idea to scarify them to improve your germination rate. Here's some thornless honey locust seed that I got from Mike at Food Plant Nursery. Thanks, Mike. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.